Now we are taking the last ethical issue, which is environmental ethics. We know that environment itself is a topic in our general studies paper 1, but here we are concerned with only the ethical part of environment. Okay, so what is mean by environmental ethics? We will say it is a branch of applied ethics that discusses values, rules, norms, and criteria for responsibly handling non-human natural entities. Okay, so this definition is not a technical one, a layman definition, that is environment ethics relates to the values, rules, etc., which will decide how we will handle the non-human natural resources. So environmental ethics is imposed on humans. Okay, it is imposed on humans, and we have to decide how we will use non-human resources, and the decisions will be based on the values, the rules, norms, and criteria which are being set in environmental ethics. Okay, now environmental ethics covers three main areas. The first one is resource ethics, the second one is animal ethics, and the third one is ethics of nature protection. So what is mean by all those? The first one, resource ethics. So it relates to the responsible management of scarce and non-renewable resources and environmental media or environmental resources such as water, soil, air, and climate. Okay, so very simple layman term, resource ethics, it relates to simply natural resources, how we should utilize natural resources. It is discussed, or it comes under the sub branch of resource ethics. Okay, we all know that the natural resources are very fastly reducing. Why? Because we are using the resources in at a very fast rate because of our economic development. The second one is animal ethics. Again, a common term that we can understand. It relates to responsible treatment of animals. Why there is question of responsible treatment of animals? Because we are consuming, we are utilizing animal resources for our food purposes, for animal testing purposes, for recreational purposes, and so on. Okay, so this is the second dimension of environmental ethics. And the third dimension of environmental ethics is ethics of nature protection. So it relates to responsible treatment of collective biotic entities, that is population, species, ecosystem, etc. So the third branch is an overarching branch which relates to the responsible treatment of collective biotic entities. Collective biotic entities implies that all things are included in it. The first one, resource ethics, relates to the natural resources. The second one relates to, we can say, the living natural resources, that is animals. And the third one relates to the collective ecosystem. Humans, non-natural, sorry, non-living natural and living natural, all are included in this nature protection ethics. Okay, so these are the three main branches of environmental ethics that we must know.